So within iOS 17, we now have the ability of basically enabling crossfade within Apple Music. So it's basically a new thing that allows us to basically stream or like get into multiple songs at the same time, but it just blends in a little bit better. So it's a really nice thing. I'm not going to demonstrate it because I'm just not going to be able to demonstrate it because I don't want to get a copyright strike. But to do this, what you want to do is one, make sure you're on iOS 17. So just make sure you're on iOS 17 in order to do this. Please do not update to iOS 17 unless it's officially out when you're watching this. So now what you want to do is you want to hop inside of your settings application, and what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you see music. So scroll down until you see music right here, and then what you want to do is click on it, and then what you want to do here is you want to scroll down just like 2 seconds until you see crossfade. So what you're going to want to do here is very basic. Go ahead and enable crossfade, which is right there, and then you're going to get into this little prompt. Now you can leave this as default and I'm sure you're going to be perfectly fine, but this is the amount of crossfade that you want to have between two different songs. So what this basically means is if I have a 4-second crossfade that I shows right here, it's basically going to fade out of one song and fade into the next song within 4 seconds. So that's something that's kind of cool. If you want it longer, some people prefer it longer, I don't know why, you can go and turn that longer just like this, and that's another option that you have. Or what you can do is you can also bring it lower if you want it to like 2 seconds or something. So you can also bring it down 2 seconds or whatever you want to do, and that's another option that you have there as well. So personally for me, I think this is a really cool thing, and you can go ahead and modify this however you want to, and that's another option that you have on top of it as well. So in terms of that, that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.